Well, as I said, Neutrogena Dermatologics is the specialized professional division from Neutrogena. And let me introduce you to my guest for the hour. This is Dr. Will Kirby. Dr. Kirby, it's great to have you back on QVC.
Mine, so thank you for having me.
Well, first of all, I should share with everyone, you have really worked very closely with Neutrogena Dermatologics. You are a licensed physician. You are a board-certified dermatologist.
That's right.
You have a thriving practice in Beverly Hills, and many of our viewers will certainly say, he looks rather familiar. You've been a sought-after expert featured on television, and it is a pleasure to welcome you back to QVC.
The pleasure's mine. I always tell people the word doctor is derived from the word doctorate, which means to teach. So I really enjoy being a teacher, and I am a professor of dermatology, but I really I hope people use this hour and this time to sort of learn more about anti-aging products they can use for their skin. And like you said earlier, if anyone has any questions about these products, I'm happy to answer them. So feel free to use me for this hour and call in.
And we would love for you to be a part of the program. If you've used any of these products, we'd love to hear from you. And so I think what is fantastic is there is a lot of information out there, and people sometimes are confused. So in the next 60 minutes, we're going to utilize his expertise to help you answer the question in terms of what this can mean for your skin and really keeping ourselves looking the best that we can.
Of course. People come to my office with a sack of products and I have them dump them out, and I'm like, what is all this stuff? And there's so much, it's like you said, there's so much confusion. People really need help understanding why things work and how things work so that they can make choices that will really help them.
Well, here's where we're going to start, and I think this is fantastic because what we have for you first in the show is the Neutrogena Dermatologics Retinol Progression Kit. Now, this is a 202052. Price is $98, and let me just explain. This is a 90-day supply, and what this is, because we're going to talk with Dr. Kirby about retinol. We hear a lot about it. If you're wondering, well, what does that mean in terms of helping my skin look its youthful best, we're going to talk about all of that. But this really is a progressive system to help our skin tolerate higher levels of retinol, correct?
Correct. This is a tiered approach, and I'm so glad we started with this product because it really allows us to talk about that stabilized retinol technology that's inside.
Okay.
Ask any dermatologist. It's not just my opinion. If you look at the medical literature, hundreds and hundreds of publications testify to the fact that stabilized retinol is an imperative part of an anti-aging regime. And I tell people, much in the same way, you know you have to brush your teeth every day to prevent cavities, you have to use your stabilized retinol technology every single day. I use it at night, but every single night to prevent the signs of aging. And this is a great way for people to discover the anti-aging product, the process. And it's for people who've never, ever jumped into the anti-aging market before, or for people who, like you said earlier, had concerns about sensitivity, because it is an innovative tiered approach.
Okay. By the way, let me say this right away. There are only about 800 of these to go around. So if you would like it, do not hesitate because we don't have a huge number. So let's start with, first of all, why a tiered approach and then how we're going to use it.
Yeah, I'm so glad. And you know what? I don't like to get caught up in statistics, but I am going to give you a couple statistics because some great studies were done with this product. The first tube is a starter dose, and that's a 30-day supply. It takes you from day 1 to day 30. And what we're doing is we're graduating you each month for 3 months.
Okay.
And the analogy I make here is it's really like going to the gym. You wouldn't go to the gym the first day and run, 30 miles on the treadmill. You would go the first day and you would walk, and the next week you would jog, and the next week you would run, and the next week you would sprint. And that's what this product line allows you to do. That's what this tiered approach does. So this first 30-day supply, 97% of users who use this, for just the first tube alone, increased in skin clarity based on dermatologist assessment, not their own assessment, which is just another great way to really accurately assess it. So 97% improvement. People saw improvement in skin clarity after that first 30 days.
Wow.
They're done with 30 days. What happens? They graduate to the next tube. Okay. That's our moderate dose.
Because basically my skin has now learned to tolerate
it.
And so I'm ready to go to the next level.
Exactly. Okay. You're getting used to this retinol. What does this retinol do? Let's talk about it. It increases surface cell turnover. And what does that mean to you? The beauty message here is smoother skin, softer skin, more supple skin. We really, the analogy I make also is that I have a 1-year-old child, and if you look at his skin, it's incredible. It's the tone, it's tight, it's uniform in terms of turgor and texture. And the reason that as we age, we lose that and we develop fine lines and we notice the signs of aging is because our skin's cell cycle slows down. Okay. So what we want to do is increase it in very, very naturally in a very safe way, and that's by using stabilized retinol technology.
Fewer than 800 of these remain. So level 1, I'm going to use for the first 30 days.
Exactly.
Level 2, I'm going to follow for the next 30 days.
Exactly.
And then level 3.
At the end of 90 days, you have completed your cycle, and now you have graduated, and you're ready to use a stronger product, which is our next product that we're going to talk about tonight, but it's our next product in the line. So once again, people who are concerned about the sensitivity or have never ever used an anti-aging product before, this is the best way to enter into that discovery process.
And remember, Neutrogena Dermatologics is really the next level from a company that we have known and trusted for over 40 years. So when we talk about the scientific breakthroughs, when we talk about the innovations with those ingredients, and if you've heard or read about retinol, or maybe you've experienced situations where you had some sensitivity or some difficulty, the tiered approach really makes great sense, because you're going to start at a lower level and then work your way up as your skin becomes more tolerant. And the reason you want retinol is because, as you just heard Dr. Kirby mention, it renews your skin by accelerating surface cell turnover. And what that means for you is that your skin looks more smooth, it looks more youthful, and so here's an opportunity. So stay on the line if you'd like that progression kit. It's a 202052, and that really is a great way to start. Now, we are about 15 minutes away. I'll tell you, I had an opportunity to try this for the very first time today, and it is fantastic. It is a one-time only value because our Today Special Value sold out earlier, and it is brand new from Neutrogena Dermatologics. It's a total hydration water gel. Basically, everybody, what that is your moisturizer to boost your skin's moisture. It is fantastic. $32.24, however, is the price that's in effect just for this hour. And Dr. Kirby, I would imagine too, because that is brand new today, because these are very powerful products and powerful ingredients, and they need to be to really do what's necessary for the skin, you've then got to have a really good moisturizer in order to...
Moisturization is a really important process. People don't really understand that there's some basic things that they can do to really help them with the anti-aging process, in addition to using the correct product. So we'll talk about ways that you can use that when it comes out.
Because what's nice is many of the things we're going to feature in the program all work very well together. We talked about the tiered approach to the previous product. Next, we are going to talk about something that's been very popular on QVC, and that is the Neutrogena Dermatologics Supersize Retinol Serum. Now, this is a 90-day supply. We do offer it on our auto delivery program. $71.88 is the price for 1.7 ounces. That's the Supersize. We offer a 1-ounce size for $65, everybody. You're getting nearly twice the amount here for about $6 more. So that Supersize is a terrific value, and the easy pay is fantastic as well. So this is a concentrated treatment.
Absolutely.
Explain what this is.
Well, this is a serum, and it's an anti-aging serum. And superior anti-aging benefits is the one single phrase that I associate with this. There's a reason why it's been so incredibly popular for the last few years, is because it works incredibly well. If you come to my house, open the medicine cabinet, this product is sitting right in there, because I use it every single night. And I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I can use anything I want, and this is the product I choose. Right. Thin layer every single night. What does that do? Well, when we talk about what it does, let's talk about what's in it. Okay. Stabilized retinol. You know I love stabilized retinol. Ask any dermatologist. What does stabilized retinol do? Once again, increase that surface cell skin turnover, smoother skin, softer skin. Just overall, it really improves the aesthetic appearance of your skin. It provides superior anti-aging benefits. But this also has Tetrol E. It's a marriage of two products. What does Tetrol E do? Firms, tightens, restores elasticity. The single best thing you can do, other than a sunblock every single day, is a stabilized retinol product like this to your entire face every single night. Wow. You use the tiered approach, the progression kit, if you've never done it before, but if you're comfortable with it, and you are ready to really jump into the anti-aging market, this is the single best product, in my opinion, to do that. It's a full facial product.
You know, it's interesting. You and I were chatting a little earlier, and I so appreciated what you said, because, you know, managing expectations and really knowing what these types of products and what this product specifically will do. And we were talking about the fact that, you know, nobody's trying to be an 18-year-old.
Of course.
And, you know, if you are 18, this is not the product for you. But if you're starting to see those signs of aging, and we know what that looks like. It's the fine lines and wrinkles. It's that lack of luminosity. It's that loss of elasticity. All of those things that our skin starts to, you know, we start to notice as our skin starts to age. That really is what this is designed to address.
You just summed it up so well. It's people, you know, people don't want to look 18. They want to look the best they can look today. And I tell you, there is absolutely nothing to be ashamed about it, wanting to look good. The single best accessory you have is your skin. Yeah. It allows you to wear jewelry and clothes, and it opens up so many things in your world. But the single best accessory and the first way that people are going to judge you is your skin. So I tell people we live in a very face-forward society. you should have no harm in taking good care of your skin, and that's exactly what this product allows you to do.
Now, when should we use this in terms of our skincare routine?
You should use it once a day. I recommend using it at night. It's a serum, so it should be the first thing that comes in contact with clean, dry skin. So after cleansing, you use your serum. I use it at night because I think that's the most convenient time to use it, but a thin layer covers the entire face. Smoother skin, softer skin, more supple skin. The tetraol firms, tightens, restores elasticity. All of those things that we associate with what you want and what you need in a powerful anti-aging product is right here in the serum.
And understand, not only do we have it available for you today in the Supersize, which this is a 90-day supply, we offer a 1-ounce size, and the 1-ounce size is $65. You're getting nearly twice the amount for about an additional $6 here, and we've put the Supersize serum on our easy payment plan. So a 210085 is the item number. If you'd like just a single shipment, that's available for you as well, but the auto delivery just makes sense, and you will continue to get the easy pay as well. This truly is, it is a concentrated retinol serum to improve your skin's smoothness, to improve your skin's luminosity. You heard Dr. Kirby talking about elasticity, and we all know what that looks like when we're looking in the mirror and we're starting to see those signs of aging. And remember, Neutrogena is a brand that has been around for over 40 years, but the Neutrogena Dermatologics line is only available here on QVC. This you cannot get in a drugstore, and you truly are getting their scientific professional division products that really deliver those results. We're going to say hi to Nan, who's joining us this evening. Nan, welcome. You're on the air with Leah and Dr. Kirby. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Terrific.
Well, yeah, I just ordered the 3-piece one, the retinol step-by-step one.
Sure.
Yes.
And they asked me to talk, and I said sure, because I've been using your eye one, your retinol eye cream.
Okay.
Since, I think, when did that come out? Like way over a year ago, right?
I'm not sure. Probably about a year ago.
Yeah, so I've been using it since then, and I love how that's been working for around my eyes with the dark circles, the puffiness.
Wonderful.
And so I thought I'd give it a try with the full system that you have
Well,
there.
thank you. Yeah, one of the first product we talked about tonight, the tiered kit, the progression kit, or the serum, you should definitely be using one of those every night. They're a full face product. And then you mentioned the eye cream, and that's a targeted product, and you use that directly around the eye. But thank you very much. It sounds like you're pleased with the product line.
Oh, yeah, definitely pleased. In fact, I actually did a side-by-side using your product on one eye and another item they sell on QVC on the other eye.
Okay.
For like a whole month. And yours won.
Well,
and I won't say what the other product is, but yours won.
We won't ask.
No, I won't tell.
Oh, well, no, but I mean, that really, it certainly is exactly what you want. You want the products to deliver the results that you're looking for, and it sounds like you've really been pleased with Neutrogena Dermatologics.
Absolutely.
Good, good. I hope you'll let us know how you like the progression kit too, Nan.
Oh, I sure will.
Wonderful. Thank you for
Nan.
calling.
Well, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too.
So going back to what we're talking about here, and remember, if you are interested in the progression kit, and you explained that we should be doing one or the other. The
Absolutely.
importance of retinol for aging skin, what is that?
It's imperative. I'm just shocked that people don't understand it more. The analogy I make is this. Imagine, and this is not to insult anyone, but imagine your face is like a bowl of Jell-O, and you first get that Jell-O out of the fridge, and it's firm. You know, it holds its mold very well, and you pull it out of the bowl, and it's in its mold. And then that's about age 30. Slowly, as we age, 32, 35, 37, 40, that Jell-O starts to slowly, proverbially sort of spread out.
Yeah.
And that's where people really start to notice that they need to get into anti-aging market. If your skin is, no offense, starting to turn into that Jell-O, it's not that hard Jell-O that holds the shape of the mold anymore. It's that Jell-O that's sort of slowly falling apart. That's when you really need to have a little bit of a wake-up call and an honest conversation with yourself and say, you know what, I care enough about my skin and my appearance to really make a change and jump into the anti-aging market.
Can I tell you, this is why we love when Dr. Kirby is here. That's probably one of, that analogy, I think, makes the point. And so if you're starting to see those signs, if your skin is not that firm bowl of Jell-O that it used to be, this really is, in all seriousness, a product to help you have that more youthful appearance. So stay on the line. Remember, not only do we have it available for you on auto delivery, it is on Easy Pay. That's a 90-day supply, and it's a concentrated retinol serum to help improve your skin's smoothness, its softness, and its luminosity. You're watching QVC. This is an hour of Neutrogena Dermatologics. It is the scientific professional division from Neutrogena, and Neutrogena certainly is a brand that we've known for over 40 years. I do want to make clear, this is not something you can find at the drugstore. That's a whole different brand. This really is the next level. And Dr. Will Kirby, who is certainly familiar to many of you, he is a licensed physician. He is a board-certified dermatologist. He has a thriving practice in Beverly Hills, and he has worked directly with the company to formulate many of these products that are so beneficial for aging skin.
Yeah, they focus on that unique partnership between scientists and dermatologists like myself to give cutting-edge solutions, upper echelon solutions for people who really want to turn their anti-aging regime, just turn it up a notch and really take it to the next level.
Well, what we're going to talk about next is brand new today, and this is the Neutrogena Dermatologics Gentle Daily Cleanser. First of all, Neutrogena is known for
a long history of incredible cleansing.
And this is the very first one in the Neutrogena Dermatologics line. So we've got it for you available. It's a 64150. Price is $35. The shipping and handling is free. And tell me why they wanted to do a cleanser for this line and what makes this different.
So many people came up to me and they said, Dr. Kirby, I love the serum. The anti-aging serum is incredible. And what can I use to cleanse my skin? What else is in my routine? So Neutrogena Dermatologics put the team together and said, let's come up with a product that's really innovative and really cutting edge. The beauty of this product is, actually, before I explain, I'm going to take a step back. When you cleanse, there's so many misconceptions about cleansing. And people, sometimes they'll just use a dishwashing detergent and it's terrible for your skin. It dries